What's up guys, welcome to your 22nd After Effects tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about mattes again, but instead of just using a still picture or a graphic as a matte, I'm going to show you how to use an entire channel as a matte, and this gives you an awesome background effect. So let's go ahead, and the first source you want to work with is your background. So I got this right here. It's just a video of one of my friends pretending to be a news reporter. And go ahead and drag it in your composition symbol, and it'll make it the exact same size as your composition. Now I want that one first because when I drag another clip on top of it, I want it to stack on top of it. So let's go ahead and find another clip of me talking, and as you can see, just put it right in the middle and it should snap into place. So now we have a video of me and a video of my friend underneath me. So the first thing we have to do is make the video of me black and white, since that's the best way you can use a matte, is to make it black and white, just like the last time that flower in that little oval, I think it was, those images were black and white. So if you're saying, alright, how do you make an entire clip black and white? Well, to make it black and white, the first thing you want to do is go over in your effects and presets and look for tint. It should be under color correction. Just press in tint and it pops up. So go ahead and grab that and drag it on your video. As you can see, the whole thing turns black and white, and that is right here where it says tint. You can play around with that. But what we want to do is bring out the contrast so it's sharp black and sharp white. So let's go ahead and type contrast, and you see this thing that says brightness and contrast. Go ahead and bring that and drag it over on your composition. And now what we need to do is, over in our effects controls, this automatically pops up. Go ahead and turn the contrast all the way to the right. Now you can see, instead of just a black and white tint like this, like an old movie, we get a sharp black and white image. So again, once you add tint, and keep the defaults at tint, the only thing you have to alter is turn contrast up to 100% on brightness and contrast. We get this nice, cool black and white video on top of our regular video right here. So this is the first layer, it's going to be the background, and this is the layer that's on top of it, it's going to be the matte. So let's go ahead and go to our track matte on the very first layer, and go ahead and change it to Luma Matte. And as you can see now, once you play my video, we now have a matte of me on the video with the background of the old video. So it's a lot cooler if, like, you put it up here or something. There we go. And that is how you can use one video as a matte and another video as a background, as a still image. So again, that's how you can combine a matte when using not only a still image but also videos as well. So again, the keys to this is, don't forget to add brightness and contrast, turn your contrast all the way up, and also make your tint black and white so you have a nice matte to work with, otherwise it's going to look weird. So that's that for this tutorial. Play around with it and do exactly as I did, and once you do, you're ready to move on to the next tutorial. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.